a teddy. T-E-double-D-Y. Teddy.
My teddy is soft and small.
There is a blanket. B-L-A-N-K-E. T-blanket.
I use my blanket every night.
There is a pillow. P-I-double-O-W. Pillow.
My pillow is fluffy and white.
There is a lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp.
The lamp shines bright.
There is a fan.
F-A-N fan. I turn on the fan when it's hot.
There is a rug. R-U-G rug.
I sit on the rug.
There is a clock. C-L-O-C-K clock. The clock goes tick tock all day. This is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. This is my bedroom.
This is my